Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Raz plus Hill. Raz Hill. Daz plus Hill. Daz Hill. Razzle Dazzle. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We have two returning players with us today. The man on my left has an X in front of him, and that means that this first game today is very important for Victor Walker, who has won $8,805 in prizes. And we're delighted to have you back today.
Thanks, Alex.
And let's see. Yes, your girlfriend is sitting up there, eagerly awaiting your victory in this first game. She wants to see you win a new car. Carolyn Henderson was the winner of our last game.
Thank you.
And she's back with us also.
Right?
Has a 2-year-old son, let's see if I can get the name right, Cooper Patrick.
Right.
For Michael Cooper, who's no longer with the
Right.
Lakers.
Or Pat Riley.
And Pat Riley, who is also no longer with the Lakers.
They were good while they were there.
Yeah, and the team's still doing fairly well. You ready to play this game?
Always.
Always?
Always
Take
ready.
a look over here. This looks like something very interesting.
An elegant telescope of classic brass, the Meade Model 228 for the view across town and for observing craters on the moon, furnished by Meade Instruments. Alex.
Lovely telescope can be found on the board right here. Number 15, high-tech telescope. Remember where you saw it. We also have a Colorado ski vacation in this game. And Victor, you get to pick first.
Very good. Let's open up the middle of the board, Alex. Number 13, please.
Washer and dryer.
Okay. And number 5 for the match, please.
Colorado ski vacation.
All right.
No match.
Ooh,
Carolyn,
I want the match to Colorado.
are you a skier?
Kinda.
Kinda.
One season under my belt.
Oh, all right.
Number 21. China dinnerware. Ooh, I love to entertain. That would be great. Number 2, please.
Luggage. No match. Victor?
Good. Let's try number 20, please, Alex.
Wild
All
card.
right. And number 5, please, Alex, for Colorado ski vacation.
Man's going to keep trying to win a holiday until he gets it right.
Get it right.
However, I should point out that a couple of days ago, Victor did win a holiday in Switzerland, which is pretty good going. Colorado ski vacation number 2 is on the board directly under the first. It's at number 10. 3 panels in that last column, the 5th column, opening up. Pick again, Victor.
Okay, let's try the top left, Alex, number 1, please.
Entertainment Center.
Entertainment Center. That would be great. Let's look for the match under number 18, please.
Red tape. No
Red tape.
match. Carolyn?
I'd like to match that take and take away the trip. Let's go to number 4.
Red tape.
And number 18.
Red tape.
Yes. I don't keep him. I want the trip. I don't keep him.
You always stop me so quickly when I'm about to
They're
put
a
it.
waste. What good are they to me? I want the prize.
Okay. That's a novel approach so early in the game. 2 panels will now open for Carolyn. Select again.
Number 1, please.
Entertainment Center.
Was that number 6?
No,
Oh.
it was number 1.
It was number 1.
Victor.
Let's look under number 21, please, Alex. And the match under number 6, please.
China Dinnerware is in both those positions, and there's a match for you, Victor. And you get a look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Okay, let's go for number 8, please, Alex.
Ping pong set.
Ping pong set, okay. Let's go for number 16, please, Alex.
Ping pong set. Look at that.
All right.
Yes, indeed. Let's open these 2 panels for Victor Walker. Pick again.
Number 19, please, Alex.
200 California lottery
tickets. Let's go for number 12, please, Alex, for the match.
Carolyn, There is no stopping Victor Walker in this game. He's coming up with match after match. Naturally done, too. Let's open these two panels for him. Pick again.
Number 25, please, Alex.
Luggage.
And number 2 for the match, please, Alex.
Luggage is at number 2. Man's hot. Man's hot. Open it up.
Is it slow dancing?
Well, we had 2 or 3 people up there, including your girlfriend, react very positively to slow dancing. I wonder why. Because it's right. That's why. Way to go, Victor. Come on.
Okay, I saw the SL and the whole slow, the D, ants, and ink. Slow dancing.
Slow dancing. All right. Good victory for you. Not a costly defeat for Carolyn because she gets only her first X. And you'll be back in game number 2 in a little bit. We'll see you then, Carolyn.
Thanks.
All right, Victor, let's hear about your prizes. What did he win this time, Gene?
200 California lottery tickets, a ping pong set, China dinnerware, and luggage. Ventura Collection, world-class luggage designed for fast packing, easy traveling, with easy glide wheels on the Pullman, furnished by Ventura.
Congratulations again, Victor. We'll put you to the test in the winner's circle here when we come back following this break. All right, Victor's won just a shade under $10,000, and he would like to double that right now, or come close to it, by winning a brand new car. Can he do it? We'll find out. 15 numbered squares. Punch them into the screen. Put the clock up there with 40 seconds. Thank you. Good luck, Victor. Off you go. Thanks.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8.
No.
1, 8.
No.
2, 7.
Right.
10, 11.
No.
4, 13.
No.
5, 13.
Yes.
14, 15.
No.
11, 12.
No.
1, 12.
No.
8, 9.
No.
3, 6.
No.
12, 6.
No.
15.
You must really love that Wrangler because you kept going back to that one time and
I
time
want
again.
that Wrangler
You want the
badly.
Wrangler, same as the young lady who
Listen,
won it.
Tracy, I think it was
Tracy
her name.
won it last
Yeah.
week on the program. Yes. Well, you've got a shade under 10 grand,
right.
$9,984, and you're going on with one strike against you after this break. Years and years and years ago, probably before Carolyn was born, Stan Freberg did a wonderful, funny commercial in which one of the lines was, "Gee, Dad, it was a Wurlitzer." Great name in music circles, Wurlitzer. We have one right here as one of our prizes.
Gee, Dad, it's the Wurlitzer home organ, the Omni 3600, designed to let you have fun creating your own music in no time at all, simply, easily. The Omni 3600, furnished by Wurlitzer. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, boys. So Victor and Carolyn, here's where you'll find it on the board. At number 1, that makes it very easy to remember. We have a holiday in Barbados. We have $600 in the cash pot. We have the 5 bonus car seconds. But we have just one wild card. Carolyn,
All right. So
you
many
pick
wonderful
a
things.
firstest.
Okay, I've got a piano at home. I'd love to have an organ. Let's go to number 5 for the match.
Red tape.
I'm going to go to 22 to match that up.
Video cassette recorder, no match. Victor?
Okay, let's try number 25, please, Alex.
Diamond and pearl pendant.
Okay, let's go for the match under number 12, please.
Wild card, there it goes. Your girlfriend like jewelry?
Don't all women like jewelry?
Well, I don't know. That's a general comment that I'm not prepared to make.
I
But
got it.
judging by the reaction that your girlfriend just displayed a few moments ago when you uncovered the diamond and pearl pendant, I would be willing to say that she likes jewelry,
Yeah.
and she thinks that if you win this, she's
gonna
going to
get
get it. Let's show you and her and everybody where the natural match would have occurred at number 4. All right, take a
good.
look, Victor, as we open up 3 panels. Select again.
Let's try number 15, please, Alex.
Five bonus
card seconds. That would be great.
That would
Let's
put
try
you up to 45 seconds.
Yes, it would. Yes, it would. Number 14, please, Alex.
Woman's apparel and shoes included.
Well, of course I want the shoes and the clothes. Let's go to number 16 for the match, please.
How about cash?
Cash pot will do. Number 20, please, for the match.
Barbados Beach Resort Vacation. No match. Victor?
Okay, let's try number 7, please, Alex.
Electric range.
Okay, and for the match, number 24, please.
Popcorn popper. No match. Carolyn?
All right, let's open the board at number 13.
Barbados Beach Resort
And number
Vacation.
20. Oh. I need this. I deserve this.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I deserve this.
Why?
I'm a domestic goddess. I need to get out.
But what do you do at home that would sort of
I'm
set you
everything.
apart from...
I'm a devoted wife, a loving mother. I'm a secretary for my husband. I sing backup in his band. I go to all of his basketball games. I need to get a break.
You know something? I think you're absolutely right.
I'll take him with me. He's a good guy.
Oh, you will?
Of course.
Oh, we weren't inviting me to...
Oh, well,
Okay, Carol, that's all right. I understand. We'll
you've
just
got a baby coming. Stay home.
Yes, we'll open these 2 doors.
Is it?
Is it what? Tell me what you were thinking of.
No, I'm not going to tell you.
Come
Give
on.
Victor a clue.
Oh, that's
I'm
right.
stupid?
I wouldn't use your clue.
Yeah, he wouldn't use your clue. I'm getting confused. He wouldn't.
All
She
right.
wouldn't. Pick again.
Stop that. 23.
Popcorn popper.
Number 19.
19? I don't think so. Red take. Victor, before you make your selection, I was asking you about this during the commercial break. I've noticed that when you speak, you have a very lovely lilt, and it isn't an accent that I recognize. Where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Honduras, Central America.
Aha. The Spanish Honduras as opposed to British Honduras.
The Spanish as opposed to the British.
And yet you do not
exactly.
speak Spanish.
No, I don't.
And you speak English with this beautiful musical...
Why, thank you, Alex.
It's nice.
Appreciate that.
It's nice. It sounds... I could have been fooled into saying that you were from Jamaica because you have that nice, musical quality.
I got
All
it.
right, sorry to
Thanks,
interrupt.
Alex.
Go ahead.
Okay, number 5, please.
5 is a good number.
And
Red
number
tip.
19 for the match, please.
19. Right you are. There we go. Now, Victor, every time, as you noticed, every time Carolyn comes up with a take, she doesn't even let me put it in the slot. She says, take it away immediately. Are you going to do that or are you going to save it?
I'm going to save it, Alex. I'm going to save it.
Okay.
Good choice.
That's all right. He's saving it because he
Way to go.
knows where Barbados is.
Yes.
Barbados is there.
It's there.
Open it up.
Alex.
Select again, Victor.
Let's try number 11, please, Alex.
Green take.
Can I get the match for that under number 10, Alex? I'll take Barbados.
This
Take Barbados.
time there is no mistaking Victor's move. I don't have to put this down. Barbados, over there.
Over there.
See, he knew where Barbados
I
was.
should have hid it under my seat.
Yes, you should have. Open these 2 panels for VW. Pick again.
Number 23, please, Alex.
Popcorn popper.
Oh, where did I see popcorn popper? Under number 24, Alex?
Yes. What a move. What a move. All right, Victor, select it. Take a look.
Is it apple pie?
Is it apple pie? No, it is not. You pick again, however.
Okay, let's try number 6, please, Alex. And number
Organ.
1 for the match, Alex?
6 and 1. Boy, he came alive on that one very quickly, didn't he? Organ goes into his column, and we open these 2 panels. Carolyn's having trouble containing herself. Victor? Select.
Let's try number 18, please, Alex.
Electric range.
Electric range. I saw the match for that under number 7, please, Alex. Yes!
Make no mistake about it, folks. Victor is good at making matches. Open these 2 panels for him. Pick again. You're driving Carolyn crazy, of course, because she wants to shout out the solution to this puzzle.
Number 22, please, Alex.
Video cassette recorder.
Is that under number 17, Alex? Oh!
Carolyn, here's your chance.
Number 15
5 bonus
and
car
number
seconds.
17.
5 bonus car seconds. She's looking over at Victor's prize column. He's got all of the prizes. She also spotted the take. Unfortunately, it's in front of him. Each of our players has a strike, and that means that whoever wins this game goes into the winner's circle. The loser says goodbye. Carolyn,
One
what?
of my favorites, pecan pie.
Pecan pie. Is it pecan pie? Yes, it is. You were in the right neighborhood, Victor, when you said apple pie. The arrows are pointing at the peak. Carolyn will explain it for us. She's good at that. Come on, young lady.
All right.
There you go. The domestic goddess wins again.
Right here we have the peak of the mountain plus the con for pecan pie plus the Cyclops guy. Pie eye. Pecan.
P-I.
P plus the I.
P and the I.
Pecan pie.
Yes.
Okay?
Not pie eye. It's not pecan pie eye. It's not Popeye either.
Pecan pie.
Victor, we've got to say goodbye. That's your second strike, but hey, you've got a lot of prizes, and you have a fabulous holiday in Switzerland coming up. Close to $10,000. And you're a good player. So long, Victor. Take care. And you're a good player, too. You're
I'm getting
tough.
there.
You're tough. Boy, oh boy. Jean, has this young lady won anything else this time? No? That's right. The board was bare. Her cupboard was bare. So all she has to look forward to is the winner's circle and a chance at a brand new car with 5 extra seconds to help her out after this. Well, Victor was great at making the matches. Carolyn was great at solving the puzzles, and as a result, she's in the winner's circle for only the 2nd time. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Carolyn. Now, we would have 45 seconds up on the board for you because you had picked up those 5 bonus seconds previously, but you picked up another 5 in this last game, and so you're up to 50 seconds, which means you stand a very good chance of walking out of here with a brand new car or driving out of here in a brand new car. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Yes.
7, 9.
No.
1, 7.
Yes.
10, 12.
No.
3, 13.
No.
10, 14.
Yes.
13, 12.
Right.
15, 11.
No.
3, 11.
Right.
2, 8.
Looking good.
5, 9.
Yes. Very quietly done. Very quietly done. Brand new car for Carolyn. Tell her which one she won. Dave?
Okay, Alex. Carolyn, you just won this Nissan Sentra 2-door coupe. Features a 1.6-liter engine, 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual transmission, and tinted glass. Furnished by Nissan, a prize worth over $9,300.
$13,770. Who's the young man to your left?
My terrific husband, Pete.
If you're a domestic goddess, what does that make him?
My domestic god.
A domestic god, yes. $13,770 for this young lady. We'll take a break. Dean?
Some of today's participants may receive Food Saver Compact. Keeps food fresher longer and prevents freezer burn. Commercial quality vacuum packing for the home, furnished by Food Saver. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a
Well, let me ask your husband something, because he's sitting in the studio audience, with the studio audience. He's watching you in that game against Victor, and you're seeing Victor make those matches. How did you feel?
It's so tough to see that happen because I didn't think she'd get control of the board back. Yeah. And when we saw the convict come up, I thought we were gone.
Yeah. But you knew from watching her perform at home that she's a good player.
Yeah.
Well, it paid off, and we're going to say goodbye. Congratulations again on a big win.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.